Hey, what's up guys? On this video, I'll be talking about the Spotify app on Galaxy Watch Classic and Wear OS. So in recent years, Spotify has been updating and adding new features to its Spotify app for the platform. In this video, I just wanted to go through all these new changes and new additions that they have done to this app. So if we go in the Spotify app, straight away you will see the playback controls. So here at the top, we have the time. Then you have the song that you're playing. Then we have the playback controls. On the left, you'll see this plus button. So this is basically to add any song to your liked songs. And then on the right, you will see this icon. From here, you can increase or decrease the volume by tapping on these buttons or rotating the bezel. But you can also change the sound output from Spotify. So you can select your phone, you can select your watch, and if you select your watch, it will play sound through the watch's speaker. You can also connect Bluetooth headphones to Spotify and listen through them. Now, if you swipe up, you will see some more controls. So we have the loop control here, we have the randomize button here, and something new here is the new timer controls. So we have the sleep timer here in Spotify now. So basically you can set timer for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30, 45, 1 hour, or till the end of the track. Now, if you swipe to the left, you get to your home page. Here you have your like songs or any other albums that you have added to your list. They will appear here. Any podcasts or any books that you're listening to, they will appear here. Now, if you keep scrolling down, at the end of the page, you will see settings. So you can go in here, and from here you can turn on cellular downloads. So it will allow you to download songs and music on mobile connections. And then you can also change the audio quality. So you can change the Wi-Fi streaming from automatic, low, medium, high, and very high. Then we have cellular streaming, again, automatic, low, medium, high, and very high. You can also change the quality of the downloads that you do on the Spotify app on the watch. So here again, we have the same options. We don't have automatic, but we have these other options. By default, it's set to medium, but I changed it to very high. And the simple reason for that is that we now get 64 GB of internal storage on Galaxy Watch Classic, and I'll never be able to use that whole space. So I'm gonna listen to some high quality songs through this watch. Now, if you go back and at the top of the page, you have the search button. So you can search pretty much any song on Spotify and it will come up just like on your phone app. So that's great. And then you have the library button. So if you tap on it, it will open up your library. Here you can take a look at your downloads, take a look at your playlists, podcasts that you're listening, artists you're following, albums you're following, and now something new, which is the audiobooks. So you can have your audiobooks here. You can tap on any audiobook and you can download the whole audiobook on the watch, and it has slightly different playback controls. So you can skip forward 15 seconds and skip back 15 seconds for the audiobook, which is something really cool to be able to listen to audiobooks through Spotify on your wrist. It's amazing. And finally, if you want to download something on the watch, simply go in the album. I'll go in this audiobook for this example here and just tap on download, and it will start downloading on your watch. And you will see that chapters are now being downloaded one by one, and this whole audiobook will be available to me right there on my wrist. Similarly, you can go in your playlist. So I can go in my like songs and I can download the whole playlist on my watch. And one last thing that I wanted to mention here is that, just if you don't know already, is that you need premium Spotify account to be able to use all of these features. Otherwise, some of them are locked behind a paywall. So that's Spotify and some new features in this app on Wear OS platform. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.